Welcome to the home of the DIY movement, where we build stuff and paint things.
Alright, so we're going to do a quick video on this body cart, man. I've had a few people ask me for details on the body cart that I made. I made this about 4 years ago with roughly about $100 in materials. I think the most expensive thing are the casters, which were from Harbor Freight, and I believe they're 4-inch. So all this is 1.5-inch box tube. 1.5-inch box tube. This is 2-inch box tube, so it slides over it. Okay, this is 2-inch going up. That's 10 inches, right?
Yeah, roughly
10 inches. So this is the back. This is the back. The front is a little bit taller, I believe at 14 inches. If I remember right. Yeah, about 14 inches. So when you put a body on this, it sits probably a little bit lower than ride height, but almost there. So it's good to paint, because if you have the car too high, you know, on a rotisserie or whatever, it's a lot of work, and you can't reach the center of the car to paint it. So you kind of want it low. So that's the measurements I got. 14 in the front, 10 in the back.
that was 14 to the top.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah, pretty much, give or take.
yeah.
Okay, this is 3/8 thick flat plate. So this is what the body mount will sit on. So all it is these are 6-inch pieces of 2-inch. So we got 1, 2, 3. This is probably about a foot. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 times 3 is 18, and 18 is 36, and another foot, 46. So 4 feet. 4 feet of 2-inch to make that, plus you got 10. 10 is 20, and 28, so 48. So 10 feet. 10 feet of 2-inch box tube, and then on the 1.5 inch, this is 62 and 62. I don't know why I picked 62. It's probably scrap. So that's 10 feet. And then these sections right here are two separate sections of 7.5 feet. So 7.5 and 7.5. And so basically this thing will fit a lot of different size bodies, because these things will slide in and out, and then the whole assembly will slide in and out. Right. So small car, big car, wide car, same with the front. It fits many vehicles. And then, like I say, the casters are Harbor Freight, 4-inch, and they've lasted. We've had at least 4 cars on this thing, maybe 5, might be forgetting one.
And they all have brakes.
And the wheels, they all have brakes. One went bad, replaced it. And I mean, I welded this. You know, I'm not a welder, but they haven't broken.
That wheel broke on the trailer, didn't it?
Right, we were loading a car on a body cart on a trailer, and it with a winch, and it forced it, and it broke. That's why that broke. That's a good point. So it's real simple, man. I mean, I think the casters at Harbor Freight are probably like, I don't know, 12 bucks each, maybe 15 at the most. So that's you know, 50 bucks, and then about $100 in steel, if that. So you're looking at $150. What these bolts are 3/4 inch bolts. So basically they're like set screws, like big set screws, and you just impact them down, boom, boom, so it'll lock in place. And yep, same thing in the center section. So in the center set, these are 2 pieces that are held together with this. So this thing can break down and, you know, hang up on the wall. Don't take up no space, and it rolls really easy. Like when a car is on this with those Harbor Freight casters, one person could spin the car around, no problem.
What's the thickness of this? 3/16 it looks like. No, an 8.
That's probably an 8.
Yeah.
These are, I believe, a little bit thicker. This is probably 3/16, 2-inch. So So 1.5 inch fits inside 2-inch 3/16. Pretty good. And then of course this, like I said, this is 3/8 inch plate. And so I did that a little bit heavy duty because there's, you know, all the weight is on it. And you know, flat plate is like probably a foot worth of flat plate. Super cheap, man. Super cheap. You can do it yourself. You don't got to order nothing out of Jegs or in, you know, auto body tool mart or whatever. You make the stuff yourself, man. If you're welding in panels, then this is a walk in the park. But I just had a lot of people ask for the dimensions and stuff like that, man. So there it is. Like I said, we've had 4 or 5 cars on this thing. It's got overspray and everything, but it's still holding up, man. And see how easy it rolls? Or 1 foot. Anyways, man. Hope
And
you guys
then,
enjoyed it.
when you're sandblasting,
Sure.
you don't want to.
Yes, that's another important thing. Whenever you're getting a car sandblasted, either on this or the rotisserie, I put the wheels in grocery bags. Grocery bags, wrap them up with duct tape so that the sand don't get in the bearings. Because if it does and you start moving it, you're gonna kill the wheels. So that's a good tech tip right there, Bob. That's it, man. Hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Y'all save some money. Do this stuff yourself. We got Bobby's car on the frame today. It's a big deal, but that's gonna be a whole nother video. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching.